This was the 17th annual HDD survey, so been doing it for a while. We started it because HDD was an industry that was taking off, developing its own future, becoming, if you would, a disruptive industry to the underground workforce, underground utility construction industry. This year in particular, what jumped out was how diversified this market has become. You know, it started out as a perfect technology for the telecom market during the explosion in the 90s and the electric distribution market. But since that time, it has radically changed and evolved in a positive fashion. There's just not a lot these days that you can't do via the HDD market. Directional drilling is I would say it's on par with conventional traditional methods. Now when somebody goes in to put in a telecom project, ranging from as small as a telecom to as large as a pipeline crossing, one of the first questions that is asked by whoever's designing or looking to build that project, how much of it can we do via HDD? Because it's of the nature of the technology, the non-invasiveness of the technology, the speed, the efficiency, and what has really progressed to the point that it's so cost effective now compared to what it was several years ago. The labor question is universal, I think, across underground utility construction, quite frankly, but it is particularly difficult with HDD. Companies like Vermeer have done a good job in standardizing their equipment, making it pretty easy to use, pretty intuitive to use, and that's helped a lot. But still, it requires some training. To become a good operator, you need to be trained. Now, the bright news is for those, when you can find laborers that are willing or interested in developing a career in HDD, they find it interesting, they find it exciting because it is something different, it is something new, it is a skill. So that's the good news. People that get into it seem to really like it and want to stay with it. But yes, it's a continuing problem and issue for contractors to find the help they need, and it is an inhibitor to growth. I know certain contractors have told me they would hire a large number of people tomorrow if they were available because they have the work, they just need the workforce to go with it.